Happy morning, Nana. Happy morning to everyone. Okay, Jashwant, rename yourself, Nana. Jashwant. Change your name. Okay, everyone, happy morning. Yes. Let's recall our previous class, Nana. Please raise the hand. Yes. Anyone? Can you remember our last class? What we discussed in our previous class? Just raise the hand. I'll give unmute option. Okay. Sindhusri. Sindhusri, unmute yourself, Nanu.
టీచర్ తంగు గురించి చెప్పారు.
Okay. Can you tell a few words about tongue?
తంగు గురించి టేస్ట్.
Yes, it identifies the taste. Yes, good. Next.
Spicy. Salty.
Next, who want? Srivardhan, please unmute yourself, Nana. Can you tell about tongue?
Yes. Okay, teacher. Taste, teacher, and salt, sweet, and hot.
How we can recognize that is food is a salty food? How we can recognize that? Anyone can?
What, teacher?
మనకు ఫుడ్ అది సాల్ట్ గా ఉంది, స్వీట్ గా ఉందని ఎలా తెలిసిద్ది? ఎనీవన్? సాయి సూర్య, జయంత్, జశ్వంత్, అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ నాన్న. Taste buds. Yes, very good, Nana. We have tongue. With the tongue, we can recognize. Very good, Jashwant. Very good. Yes, we can identify the taste with the help of tongue. Yes, we know that with the help of tongue only we can recognize. But how? It's very good, Jashwant and Jayant. Yes, just now they told about taste buds. Taste buds. The taste buds are present on our tongue and as well as on the roof of our mouth. Paina, roof, and paina mana tongue. If you touch with your hand or with your finger, you can identify. That is a roof or mouth. Okay. With the help of taste buds on our tongue and as well as on the roof of on our mouth, we have a number of thousands of taste buds are present. Okay. With the help of taste buds, we can recognize, yes, this is so and so taste. Okay. Manaki a taste buds untai kabatti work chestai kabatti a taste, with the help of taste buds only we can recognize, yes, this is a salt and this is a sweet, this is a spice. Okay. Yes, everyone, I hope everyone got now. If you got this point about the tongue, you just yes, everyone, are you clear about tongue? Just show me thumbs, Nana. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, very good, Srija. Kartika, very good. Okay. Yes, let's start our today's class. Okay. Yes, anyone, can you tell answer for this question? Okay, Srija, please unmute, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Did you smell the dustbin?
మ్యామ్
డస్ట్బిన్ ని ఎప్పుడైనా స్మెల్ చేసావా? How is the smell of
నో
dustbin?
మ్యామ్
How is the smell of dustbin? Yes, anyone can?
స్మెల్ చూడలే మ్యామ్ నేను.
Okay, is it good? Is it good or bad?
గుడ్.
Okay, dustbin smell is good.
బ్యాడ్ 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 మ్యామ్ బ్యాడ్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, very good. Yes. Um, yes, Nana. If we'll go nearby our drainages or in our washrooms, means not in our houses, outside washrooms, we'll get a different smell from. Okay, what you are taking. ఓకే, మనం డిఫరెంట్ గా మనం ఇంట్లో ఉన్న స్మెల్ కంటే బయట అక్కడ వాష్రూమ్స్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు డ్రైనేజెస్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కానీ ఏదైనా ఎక్కువ డస్ట్ ఉన్న దగ్గరికి కానీ ఎక్కువ డస్ట్ పెద్ద డస్ట్బిన్స్ ఉన్న దగ్గరికి కానీ వెళ్తే we will get a different type of a smell. What is the different type what is that different smell? Can anyone just raise the hand? Okay, yes, Kartika, what is that smell? How is the smell?
Bad smell, teacher.
Yes, we will feel that is a bad smell. Yes, how you know that is a bad smell?
With our nose.
Yes, without nose. Without nose, can we feel that is a bad smell?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, nose work చేయకపోయినా కూడా నీకు తెలిసిద్దా బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్ అనేది? No, no. With eyes we can see. Without eyes we cannot see. Okay, with the presence of taste buds we can taste the food. Okay, if there is no taste buds we cannot taste. Like that, if our nose works properly, we can feel. Yes, we can smell every smell. Okay, that is good or bad. Okay, if it is good, we will inhale, we will take that smell. If it is bad, we will close our nose. Okay, that is our nature. Yes, yes, everyone. Yes, are you? Oh, yes, Vikas. Yes, Vikas, unmute Nana. Vikas. Okay, Vikas, do you like to inhale good smell or bad smell?
నో టీచర్. బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్ టీచర్.
Bad smell పీల్చుకుంటావా? Okay, good. Yes, anyone can guess what is our today's topic? Just raise the hand. What we are going to discuss today? Nandita. Yes, Nandita.
టీచర్ స్మెల్ టీచర్.
Smell.
Nose.
Yes. Nose is the one of the sense organ. Today we are going to learn about our nose. Very good. Yes. Okay, let's start our class. Welcome to our class. Third grade. science. We are going to learn chapter 1, sense organs. Today we are going to discuss about nose and do's and do nots for the nose. Let's learn about nose. Yes, who want to read? Just raise the hand. I'll give unmute option. Just raise the hand, Nana. Okay, Sai Spooty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Read 2 lines on page. Just everyone just observe where she is reading and take out page number 13. Nose topic.
Okay, ma'am. The nose helps us to smell things in our surroundings. Just like the tongue has taste buds, the inside of our nose.
Very good, Nana. Just unmute yourself. See, this is our nose. Nose help us to smell things. So this is our nose. The nose help us to smell things in our surroundings. Yes, in our surroundings, which type of a smell? If it is good, we can inhale. If it is bad, we can close our nose. Okay. Yes, nose help us to smell the sound, smell in our surroundings. Okay. Just like a tongue. Just before our class, we have discussed about tongue. Yes, everyone close your concept books first. On our tongue, thousands of taste buds are present. Okay, with the help of taste buds, we can feel that this is a so and so taste. Like that, in a nose, we have has thousands receptors, tiny receptors. Let's see. What are the receptors? Okay. See. See, Nana. This is our nose. With like this, we are inhaling. Yes. Here, these all receptors. Okay. These all are receptors. With the help of receptors, we can smell all good or bad smells. Yes, everyone, are you clear, Nana? With the help of receptors. Receptors are very small, tiny, T-I-N-Y. Tiny means small. With our eyes, we cannot see that tiny receptors. Okay? That receptors are present inside our nose. Okay? ఆ రెసెప్టర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి మన నోస్ లోపల ఉంటాయి అండ్ అవి చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి టైనీ అంటే చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి మనం మన ఐస్ తో చూడలేము ఓకే with the help of receptors we can smell good or bad things okay yes everyone have you understood just show me thumbs whether you got or not okay very good these are receptors. On tongue, we have taste buds. In our nose, we have receptors. With the help of receptors, we can smell the things. Okay, this is our nose. How we are inhaling. మనం గాలి ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం మనం ఎలా పీల్చుకుంటున్నాం అది గుడ్ స్మెల్ కానీ బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్ కానీ లోపలికి ఎలా వెళ్తుంది ఇలా వెళ్తుంది వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ రెసెప్టర్స్ కి టచ్ అయ్యి రెసెప్టర్స్ గివ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ receptors send information to the brain and after recognize that smell again the brain gives information to the nose first nose ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే మనము గుడ్ కానీ బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్ కానీ ఇలా లోపలికి పీల్చుకున్నప్పుడు అది రెసెప్టర్ వరకు వెళ్తుంది. దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ రెసెప్టర్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ రెసెప్టర్స్. See, these all are receptors. With the help of receptors, we can smell. These receptors send information to the brain. Okay, and after that, the brain recognizes, yes, this is good smell. You can smell. Yes, it is a bad smell. You just avoid that smell. Okay, like this, the brain gives information to our nose. Okay, at the time, if it is good, we can inhale. Okay, if it is bad, we automatically closed our nose. Okay, and next, who want to read? Jaya and Jashwant, very good. Read next. Yes, Jayant or Jashwant, just read.
Just like the
Read from third line, Nana. Read from third line. They sense which smell?
has thousands of teeny receptors.
Receptors.
Sense they sense which smell is coming from which thing, and SC and send this information to the brain. Then recognizer of what?
Okay, very good. Is he Jashwant or Jayant? Stop. Just Nana, unmute yourself. And what is your name? Just tell me. Are you Jashwant or Jayant?
It's a giant.
Jayant.
It's a giant.
Okay, very good, Jayant. Very good, Nana. Yes. Just now he read. Just let's see. Already I have explained this. This nose sense which smell is coming from things. Okay. First, it takes to the receptors, and again the receptors send information to the brain. The brain recognizes, yes, this is so and so smell, and again the brain gives information to our nose. Yes, this is this smell. Okay, and read from the nose also. Who want to read? Just raise the hand. Srivardhan, unmute yourself.
Teacher,
Yes, Nana, read.
book no, teacher.
Without books, you cannot understand easily, Nana. Okay, Srija, unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Read just now. The brain then recognition what type of smell is present in our surrounding. The nose also has hairs that prevent the enter of dust and germs into our body.
Okay, mute yourself, Nana. Very good, Srija. See, let's see. The nose also has A's. Children, did you observe your nose, inside your nose? Anyone? No one? No, ఎప్పుడైనా నోస్ లోపల అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా మీరు? ఎవరిదైనా నోస్ చూసారా? What did you find inside your nose, Srija? Please unmute and tell Nana. Okay, getting noise from Srija. Okay, see Nana, let's see. See. What is this? Yes, anyone can you? This is our nose. Okay, this is our nose. Okay. What are these all things? We are seeing in red, black color. I have circle with red. What are these things? Anyone can? Yes, Sai Surya. Unmute yourself, Nana. Yes.
Teacher, hair.
Yes, hairs. Did you observe really?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. See, మన nose లోపల కూడా hairs ఉంటాయంట. I don't know. If you know, very good. Okay. Inside our nose, we have hairs. Why the hairs are inside our nose? Let's see. The nose also has A's that prevent the entry of dust and germs into our body. మన నోస్ లోపల నుంచి డస్ట్ కానీ చిన్న జర్మ్స్ కానీ మన బాడీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళకుండా ఈ హెయిర్స్ అనేవి ఇక్కడే స్టాప్ చేసేస్తాయి. లోపలికి వెళ్ళనివ్వదు మన డస్ట్ని. మనం ఏదైతే ఇన్హేల్ చేస్తున్నామో మంచి ఫ్రెష్ హెయిర్ సెండ్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ ఏదైతే అన్నెసెసరీ అంటే డస్ట్ కానీ జర్మ్స్ కానీ ఉంటే అక్కడ నోస్ దగ్గరే స్ట్రక్ అయిపోతాయి. మన నోస్ని మన బాడీని కాపాడుతుంది. ఈ హెయిర్స్ మన డస్ట్ బాడీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళకుండా ప్రివెంట్ చేస్తుంది. ముందుగా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, నందిత, unmute yourself and read do's and don'ts for the nose. First point.
Teacher.
First point of do's and do nots.
Teacher, page number
13. Page number 13, do's and do nots for the nose.
do not
Pick
your nose
as it may
your nose.
Okay, stop Nana. Good. See. Let's learn do's and do nots for the nose. Okay. See, this is a picture and observe carefully. Yes, this is do not. Do not pick your nose. Do not pick your nose as it may be harmful to our nose. Okay. మనం ఇట్లా నోట్స్ లో వేలు పెడితే ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హార్మ్ఫుల్ టు అవర్ నోస్. ఎప్పుడు అలా నోస్ లో పెట్టకూడదు. ఓకే, డు నాట్ పిక్ అవర్ నోస్ ఇంటూ అవర్ నోస్. finger in our nose. It is very harmful to our nose. Do not pick with our finger into our nose. Okay, and Akhila, read next point, Nana. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
రినేమ్ చేసుకోలే నువ్వు స్ఫూర్తి అక్క పేరుతోనే వచ్చావు. ఓకే ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్.
అది పేరు హిందీలో
Okay, okay.
చెప్తుంది అందుకే అక్క పేరు
ఓకే ఓకే రీడ్
Clean your nose carefully with a clean and soft hand. Kerchief
హ్యాండ్ HAND హ్యాండ్ కర్చీఫ్
or use a paper if your nose
టిష్యూ పేపర్. ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్ అఖిల. See, we have to clean our nose with a clean handkerchief. Okay, we have to clean our nose with a clean washed handkerchief or tissue paper we can use for cleaning our nose. Okay, and next who want to read, just raise the hand. Chaitra, Kalyan Babu. Yes, Kalyan Babu. Kalyan Babu, unmute yourself, Nana. Read third point.
if your nose breathes food and
Bleach. Okay, ice cube.
ice cubes
Over
eight.
eight.
Over eight.
Okay, good, Nana. Good, Kalyan Babu. See, if our nose bleeds, ఒకవేళ మన నోస్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ గనక వస్తే put an ice cube over it. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే ఒకవేళ నోస్ లో నుంచి బ్లడ్ వస్తే ఐస్ క్యూబ్ పెట్టమని చెప్తున్నారు. we should not take risk. Okay, we have to consult a doctor at the time. Okay, we should not take our own decisions because these are the 5 sense organs. These 5 sense organs we should take very carefully. Okay, if nose bleeds, we have to consult a doctor. Practice on 1. These are the 2 question answers from practice zone 1. So practice zone 4. Write the 2 ways in which our nose help us. In which 2 ways? Yes, our nose help us in 2 ways. We have to write only 2 ways. Nose has hairs. Okay, inside our nose we have hairs. That hairs prevent the entry of dust and germs into our body. Okay, into our body. Next, it helps us to smell things. It means nose. Nose helps us to smell things. In these 2 ways, nose helping us. Okay. Let's see next. The ability to smell can sometimes help keep us safe. Okay, what is the meaning of question? Means the ability to smell. స్మెల్ మనం స్మెల్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఆ స్మెల్ మనల్ని చాలా సేఫ్ గా ఉంచుతుందంట. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు రైట్ 1 example to show. This is a question. This question you'll get from your concept. Okay, Give an example to show how our sense of smell protect us. Okay, this is a question. You'll get question from your concept book. Let's see what is answer for it. See, the ability to smell can sometimes help keep safe us by recognizing the type of smell. By recognizing the type of smell present in our surroundings. ఒక్కోసారి మనకి స్మెల్ చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. మన సరౌండింగ్స్ లో ఏం స్మెల్ వస్తుందో మనకి మన నోస్ చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది స్మెల్ తీసుకొని. They have asked us to write example. Let's see what it is example. For example, when food has gone stale. When food has gone stale. ఎప్పుడైనా మన ఫుడ్ పాడైపోయినప్పుడు we can usually tell by its smell. అది పాడైపోయిందని ఎలా చెప్తాము? మనం స్మెల్ చేసి చెప్తాము. బిఫోర్ వి ఎవర్ గెట్ ఇట్ టు అవర్ మౌత్, మన నోట్లోకి వెళ్ళక ముందుకి అంటే మనం తినక ముందుకే we can recognize, yes, that food is stale food, పాడైపోయిన food, we should not eat that food అని మనకు తెలిసింది. With the help of how we are recognizing, yes, that food is stale food, with the help of a smell we can recognize that food is not suitable for eating. Okay. In next class, we are going to discuss about skin. Okay. Yes. If you have any doubts according to our today's topic, you can ask. If you do not have any doubt, you just show me thumbs. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. If you have any doubts, you can call me and you can ask me. Okay. I will send you our homework in WhatsApp. Bye, Nana. Bye. I'm going to close the class. Bye.